Hello family, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm come to show how to do one of the local drinks, which is called ZOMKOM. And I hope you are enjoying the channel. And if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe. So today we are come to do ZOMKOM, which is made with millet. During the processing where they harvest the millet, there are a lot of stones in it. So before you do your ZOMKOM, you have to soak it overnight. So after the overnight, you take your time and sieve it to remove the stones particles in it. After that, you now add your ginger and your cloves. That's how most people do. But today it's going to be different because I want my own to be special than what they do outside there. So you see that I'm having my date, my tiger nut and coconut, which I'm going to mix with the millet, the ginger and then the cloves to make it more nice and tasty. Because of the hardness of the coconut and then the tiger nut and the date, I'll first of all blend it before I add the millet on the process of me blending it, so that I can, the coconut and then the tiger nut will be smooth. So this is my blender. So I'll put my coconut, some of the coconut. So I have to do it maybe 2 times so that I will not force the blender. And you can see that when I'm pouring it, you see some water entering. That is the coconut water. So this is my tiger nut. And the date as well. So I'll add my water a little bit. I'll add some of the millet. I'll add some water again. So now I finished with the blending. I'm now going to sieve it so that I can remove the chaff and get the proper ZOMKOM we are looking for. So here I go with the sieve. You can see this is the chaff. So I'm almost done with the sieving, and I've had almost 2 bowls full. And as part of the channel, we are donating some to the less privileged on the street. The quantity should be a little bit reasonable, so we'll be giving some out to the less privileged at the street today. So that's why we are pleading on the general public to sponsor the channel, so I'll be able to do more. So now I'll add my sugar. Let's assume that maybe this one is okay. I'm going to start to make sure the sugar dissolves inside. This is not ordinary ZOMKOM you have been buying now, so just please subscribe to the channel and I will give you more recipes so that you enjoy and try it at home. And to sponsor, you'll just check on your screen, the numbers are there, please, so we're able to give people outside there or less privileged a smile during our project. So just please donate any kind of item you have, which consists of cooking items. You are highly welcome, so that our people out there also smile. And as more you donate, the more God bless you more. So the little you donate, you know that you'll be rewarded. I've finished with the sugar mixing, so I'm now come to try it to see how the results has come. As you can see it, nobody will tell you that the taste is already there. It's my glass. Normally, if you have a fridge, just store it in the fridge. The more it chills, the more it tastes nice. So I'm going to test it. Wow, what a taste. The taste is unique. All the ingredients are put inside. You can feel it, and the sugar content is on point. I hope you try this at home for your family, and whilst you are trying, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So now I'm not going to fill my bottles. The ones I already mentioned that will be given to the less privileged on the roadside to help them also break their fast this evening. As doing that, I have to make sure I raise the bottles with water. Now we have gotten to the end of the video. As you can see, I'm able to get 10 bottles, which I mentioned earlier that we're giving it out to the less privileged, either at the street or any place at all. We know that they are in need of it to help them break their fast. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and if you want to sponsor, just contact the numbers on your screen. Make a call, the management will take care of you. Your donation will be appreciated. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.